Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the topic of entrepreneurship and why it's not for everyone. Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding journey, but it requires a unique set of skills and mindset that not everyone possesses. So, let's dive in and explore what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur. Risk-taking mentality. Entrepreneurship is all about taking risks and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. This means having the confidence to pursue your vision and make bold decisions, even in the face of uncertainty. Resilience. Starting a business is a roller coaster ride, with ups and downs along the way. To be successful, you need to have the mental toughness to bounce back from setbacks and keep pushing forward. Problem-solving skills. Entrepreneurs are always faced with challenges, and it's their ability to find creative solutions that sets them apart. Whether it's overcoming obstacles or finding new opportunities, entrepreneurs must be able to think outside the box. Financial management. Running a business requires a strong understanding of finances, from budgeting and forecasting to managing cash flow. It's important to have the skills and knowledge to make informed decisions about how to allocate resources. Sales and marketing skills. Entrepreneurs must be able to market and sell their products or services effectively. This requires a strong understanding of your target audience and the ability to communicate the value of your offerings. Networking. Entrepreneurs must have the ability to build and maintain relationships with customers, partners, and other stakeholders. This involves being a good communicator and having the ability to connect with people from diverse backgrounds. Time management. Running a business can be a demanding and time-consuming venture. Entrepreneurs must have excellent time management skills to ensure that they are able to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. Adaptability. The business world is constantly changing, and entrepreneurs must be able to adapt to new developments and challenges. This requires being open-minded, flexible, and willing to change course when necessary. Strategic thinking. Entrepreneurs must have the ability to see the big picture and make decisions based on long-term goals. This involves having a clear vision for the future and being able to plan and execute strategies that will help to achieve that vision. Passion and drive. Finally, entrepreneurship requires a deep level of passion and drive. It's not enough to just have the skills and knowledge, you must be truly passionate about your business and willing to put in the hard work and effort required to succeed. Without this level of commitment, it can be difficult to stay motivated and overcome the challenges that will inevitably arise. So, there you have it, some of the key skills and mindset required for entrepreneurship. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and there are many other traits and skills that are also important. In conclusion, while entrepreneurship can be an incredibly rewarding experience, it's not for everyone. It requires a unique set of skills and mindset, and it's important to be honest with yourself about whether it's the right path for you. Remember, success in business takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.